We have had a roughish morning. Hi, this is RGV and you're watching RGV Love, and if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe already. RGV woke up at 3 AM and he just wouldn't sleep. He was really cranky and I don't know what happened. Finally got him to sleep at around 5 and then we've just gotten up at 7:30. Sabji, हाँ sabji थी.
Good morning. Oh, Bittu, good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
क्या नाना?
नाना क्या?
बनाना खा रहा है शायद, ये बता।
बनाना खा रही हो? बनाना? हाँ, ये देखो बाहर गम 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 चाय पी है। गम 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 गम। पानी भी पिया, दाई खाई है, दाई भी खाई है, पानी है? हाँ, डब्बी पानी भी खाई है, दाई भी खाई है, पानी भी पिया है, चाय भी नम नम करिए, चाय गम गम चाय पी है।
I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to combine a couple of days and make them into one vlog, because today and tomorrow I'm not really doing anything, so I'm going to probably combine these 2 days together. Next week onwards it should get exciting because my mother-in-law is first of all retiring this Friday. This Friday is her last working day, which is so most probably you're even seeing this on Friday, so it's her last working day, which is so exciting, which also means that I can go out more, do more stuff after Friday, which is yay. So I have a lot of stuff planned. I have a lot of collaborations that I want to do. Of course that things slowly start working, you know, getting into motion, but I do have like plans in my mind, so hopefully from next week every day should be interesting. But this week it's going to be a little bit boring, also especially because our house help is on chutti. He's gone back to his house, so I am a lot more involved in doing household stuff, so cleaning the utensils, cleaning the house, cleaning after Adaveer and all of that things. Even though they're like tiny little things, they take a lot of time and I don't think that's very interesting in the vlog, so I don't vlog those things, but my day gets, you know, spent maximum doing all of that. So I'm just going to combine these 2 days together because, well, we're not, I mean if something happens that's a different thing, but I don't plan on doing anything like today and tomorrow. On Friday, however, we'll go and my mother-in-law works in the RBI, and when she retires we're supposed to, like, the family's supposed to go and get her from the office from her last working day. So I think I'll be allowed to vlog. I don't know, it's the RBI, who knows. Anyways, if I will be allowed to vlog, then the next vlog might be of my mother-in-law's retirement. दोनों बैग लेके मॉल जा रहे हो? मॉल जा रहे हो? अरे भी कहाँ जा रहे हो बैग्स लेके? मॉल जा रहे हो? बाय। Araveer now has 8 teeth. नहीं बताना था। Araveer now has 8 teeth. I don't know what they're called. I think the molars, the one that are like right at the end, he's getting them on his upper jaw. I saw the right one a few days ago, like almost a week ago, and now the other side has also sprouted. So now you have 8 teeth. Also, we may have hit the 18 months sleep regression a little earlier than expected. expected. I thought 18 months sleep regression means it will come on 18 months itself, or probably like a few weeks before, because every other sleep regression or growth spurt has hit us around 2 to 3 weeks before the expected time. But I just read online today that it can hit you anywhere from 15 months to 24 months. So it has hit us super early. Aravir is turning 16 months in a few days, but I think this has been going on for a while. So yeah, that is happening, which is not so good, which means it's a lot of sleepless night. This little boy, he woke up at 3 AM today and wouldn't sleep till 5 AM. So yeah, we're going through a little rough patch right now, but hopefully this too shall pass, like everything else has passed. So now that I know that it's a sleep regression, I know I just have to wait it out, and this phase will also kind of go like every other sleep regression has. So I'm like, yay. Also the exciting thing, however, is that every time there's a sleep regression or there's a growth spurt, there's a lot of learning capacity and mental development that happens, a lot of physical development that happens. So I'm really excited to see what new things Aravir will learn and what new things he'll do. He's already started to repeat a lot of words. So he used to repeat words, as you know, before as well, but now he tries to repeat like sentences that we say, or babble, just stuff, whatever comes in his mind. He tries to sing back songs that we sing to him. I'm sure you've already seen him sing Radhe Radhe in a few of my vlogs before, but now he started to sing the usual songs. So my husband played to him Chota Bheem, and he does Bheem Bheem. Aravir, Chota Bheem, Chota Bheem, Bheem Bheem Bheem, Chota Bheem, Chota Bheem. Okay, that was just Bheem Bheem, but song because that is still a new song to him. But songs that we've been singing for क्या कर रही हो? मम्मा को बात करने दो. But songs that we've been singing to him for a while, now he has started to sing those back to us, which is so exciting. But he's also started to bite us, which is not so good. Nice weather right now. It's cloudy, it's a little cool, and it's windy. Oh my god, it might rain. I am so excited. If it rains, this will be the first time Aravir will see rain, when he would probably understand what rain is, because now Aravir takes a shower. He used to take a bath in the bathtub and splash around. He still likes doing that, but now he also likes to take a little shower. So I guess when the rain comes, he'll be really excited, because it's a natural shower, right? Hi, this is RGV and you're watching RGV Love. And if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe kar lo. It's raining. Bobby, Bobby, Bobby. Oh God. Bobby, Bobby. Bobby, Bobby. Bobby, Bobby. Barish, Aravir. Aandhi. Barish. Pani aa raha hai? Pani aa raha hai? Bobby, Bobby. Bobby. Bobby, Bobby. Barish, Barish. Aandhi. Bobby, Bobby, Bobby. Look, I showed you guys the mango tree in a couple of vlogs before, where in the wind all of these fell off. Mama. Mala.
Mala.
Sunshine, you make me happy when skies are grey.
Catch it! Aravir, catch it!
If you have watched me long enough, then you would probably know how excited I am when I get free stuff. So Romvy.com contacted me and they said they'd like to send me a couple of stuff, and I was like, yeah, of course, sure. De do bhai, free ka hai. So Romvy.com contacted me and they said they'd like to send me some things, and I got really excited because I have seen their website before and a lot of YouTubers have been getting stuff from them and showing hauls about them, but I wasn't like sure if they would have my size because, again, you know, Romvy is a very fashion forward website. It has a lot of cool designs, and I was like, you know what, usually sites like these do not have larger sizes in them. So when they contacted me and said they'll send me free stuff, I was like, I don't even think I'll find my size. The only problem I think I found on the website was that not every garment is standard size. So if you do like a product, you have to check the details and check the measurement and see if will it fit you or not, which I think for somebody who is a little towards the plus size or a little towards the larger size is brilliant, because a lot of times a lot of XL in some brands fit me and XL in other brands are like just too large or too small on me. So it's really happy in a way that I could check my measurements separately for separate garments, because again, separate garments have separate styles. Like separate styles basically measure out differently. I don't know how to explain this, but even the same brand, there would be two different products of both the XLs, but one of them will fit me and one of them will not. So I was kind of happy in a way that I got to kind of see the measure details of every product, so I could understand what would, for that I could, you know, 100% know that this will fit me or not fit me. So anyways, that being said apart, I was really excited that they sent me these two shirts which I picked and chose, and I absolutely love it. The first one is this black and white checkered shirt with the floral embroidery. Oh my god, I have been seeing shirts like these everywhere and I have been so much in love with them, and anywhere I checked they were not in my size. So I was really excited that they had this, and they had this in my size. So look at the embroidery detail, I love it. The other thing I love, it has a hidden placket, so your buttons are hidden up. The one thing I love about the shirt is that it's kind of semi-formalish, so you can, you know, dress it up with like a plain black pant and make it into like formal wear, or dress it down with faded jeans and work this with like going out with your friends, or you could even wear this with a nice fitted skirt and wear this on a date night with husband. So I really loved what they sent me. The website does say that this is a short dress. I would like to disagree. I know maybe on somebody who's a little thinner it could work as a short dress, but for me, I would personally not wear it because thighs are like my biggest problem areas. So yeah, I really loved this. It's also full sleeves, which I'll probably kind of just, it's cotton, so it won't be that hot. I'll just fold these when I wear it, and I'm so excited to wear this. The links are all down below. The link to Romvy is down below, the link to the short and everything is down below. I'm getting better at putting links in the description box. I know I sometimes forget to put links, or I don't find links. I'm really sorry, but I'm trying and putting links in the description box. I'm trying to get better at this. The second one that I got is again a shirt. It's a striped shirt, blue and white. It has a little collar, and I love these patches. Again, patches are something that are so in fashion right now, and I have been like dying. I have just one dress from Lifestyle, the Nexus collection, if you've watched my video, I have that has a little bit of patches on it, but not enough to kind of satisfy my patches need. This one has this one has a lot of patches which I love. There's a rabbit, a flamingo, thing that says Friday's fan, then rockweed and superstar, which I really love. The one thing I love about this is there are buttons down at the back and a little tie up at the end. It's also a little crop top, which, to be honest, like that's at the back, you can see it's basically smaller in height, so I might have to wear like a spaghetti top or something underneath this. Not so sure, because I don't know if I can like get away with wearing something that, so this will finish exactly where I tie my jeans, so I don't know if I'm okay with a little bit of my midriff showing. Not at that stage right now, but I'm really excited about both of this. And I think the biggest plus point was that these are medium, so that means that they have large size as well, so they have a size for somebody who's a little larger than me as well, which is brilliant. And some of the designs I saw, I also fit into the small of the design, which to be honestly speaking, if you're an XL all your life, if you find a brand where you fit into a small of the brand, you're like, yes. Because in all honesty, in normal standard sizing, I would never fit into a small. So anyways, in case you like those designs, do get them on romwe.com. There's a link in the description box below, or you can just Google it. And the shipping, I think, was also good enough, because this reached me within 20 days, and usually something from a US site takes more than a month, definitely more than a month. So I'm really impressed with how quickly this was shipped to me. I was just editing this vlog and I realized I didn't really end it. Arabi slept at around 6 today and it's 11. I'm just editing. I just uploaded what Arabi eats in a day vlog, which is like, I think, the most highly requested video of all time. So if you haven't watched it yet, go watch that video. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this fun. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up and click that subscribe button, because apparently I make videos from Monday to Friday now. Like, I can promise you 3 videos a week, but I am definitely giving out 5 videos a week since the last couple of weeks. So I'm like really happy with myself. Now of course I'm on a break. Saturday and Sunday are my free day. I love it. Like, not love it in the sense, I do miss vlogging. I do vlog, I just don't edit on Saturdays and Sundays, because usually I edit after Arabi sleeps and during the evening time, which is basically the family time. So, and also the time for me to chill a little bit, catch up on the YouTube videos that I missed throughout the week. So that's the reason I don't like editing on Saturday and Sunday. Although I do end up editing on Sunday, because Monday's video gets edited on Sunday. Anyways, the point is I have my Saturday off. Saturday is officially off for me. I sometimes vlog if the day is interesting, or else I don't even vlog. And yeah. Anyways, this outro is going to be too long now. I'm going to catch you guys soon. Bye.